This video lecture demonstrates the execution of the shell script to determine the substring of a string using expr command. The problem statement of the shell script exercise is to develop a shell script to read a string and then determine the substring of the inputted string, the position to start from, and the number of characters to be extracted are also inputted. Let us observe the demonstration of execution of the shell script. The file expr02 is opened by giving a command vi expr02 at the $prompt. The complete shell scripts are displayed by the VI editor on the screen. We shall try to understand the working of each shell script line by line. The first line of the script is a comment line. The comment line starts with hash character in Unix. The second line of the script is an echo command. Echo enter a string. This echo command will display enter a string on the display device. The third line of the script is a read script. It will take the input from the standard input device. That input will be given to the variable s1. The fourth line of the script is echo command. Echo enter the index of the substring in the original string. This echo command will display the string, enter the index of the substring in the original string on the display device. The fifth line of the script is read command, read n1. This read command will take the input from the standard input device and the inputted value will be given to the variable n1. The sixth line of the script is echo command. Echo enter the number of characters to be extracted. This echo command will display the string, enter the number of characters to be extracted on the display device. The seventh line of the script is read script, read n2. This read script will read the input from the standard input device and the inputted value will be given to the variable n2. The eighth line of the script is assignment script, s2 equal to backquote expr substr $s1 $n1 $n2 backquote. Backquote is used for command substitution. When the shell encounters a string between backquotes, it executes the command given inside the backquotes and replaces the backquoted string with the standard output of the command. In this assignment script, the expr will determine the substring of string s1 starting from n1 position and extracting n2 characters. The resultant substring will be assigned to the variable on the left hand side, namely s2. The ninth line of the script is echo command. Echo the inputted string is $s1. Here the echo command will output the inputted string is as it is. In the place of $s1, it will print the value of s1. The last line of the script is echo command. Echo the substring starting from position $n1 with $n2 characters is $s2. This echo command will print the substring starting from position as it is. In the place of $n1, it will print the value of n1. Then it will print the string with as it is. Then in the place of $n2, it will print the value of n2. Then it will print the characters is string as it is. Then in the place of $s2, it will print the value of s2. To come out of the VI editor, we press escape:WQ so that the editor saves the file and comes out of the VI editor and returns to the $prompt. To run the shell scripts available in the file expr02, we give a command sh expr02 at the $prompt. The shell starts the execution of the scripts available in the file expr02 by executing one by one. So enter a string is displayed on the terminal. So the user is supposed to give the input. If we give the input as shell scripting, then the shell asks for the next input by displaying the text enter the index of the substring in the original string. If we give the input as 6, then the shell asks for the next input by displaying the text enter the number of characters to be extracted. If we give the input as 6, then the outputs of the shell script are generated. The outputs generated by the shell script are the inputted string is shell scripting, the substring starting from position 6 with 6 characters is script. The substring is generated starting from the 6th position of the string cell scripting and then extracting 6 characters from the string, and hence the resultant string script is formed. To run the same script file again, we give a command shexpr02 at the $prompt. If we give the inputs as today 1, 3, then the outputs generated are the inputted string is today. The substring starting from position 1 with 3 characters is TOD. The substring is generated starting from first position of the original string today. From there extracting 3 characters, and hence the resultant substring TOD is generated. Thank you.